liberalization of economies and globalization of markets has created a new economy in the world based on free movement of people, goods, services, and capital. These important changes often result in challenges and opportunities that must be managed for sustainable development, stability, and prosperity of nations. As a collective response to cope with these challenges, the member countries of the United Nations adopted a Millennium Declaration in 2000 and pledged to meet 8 Millennium Development Goals in 15 years. However, many countries in Asia and the Pacific region still have a long way to go before achieving these goals. This is particularly the case with the least developed and landlocked countries. As the regional arm of the United Nations for the Asia-Pacific region, UNESCAP attaches great importance to developing road infrastructure and facilitating road transport as a key to reduce poverty, manage globalization, and overcome emerging social problems in Asia. Due to the recognition of road transport's vital role in achieving economic, social, and environmental goals, an intergovernmental agreement on the Asian Highway Network was signed in Shanghai in 2004 and entered into force in 2005. The 141,000-kilometer Asian Highway Network aims to provide high-standard road connections between 32 Asian countries, from Tokyo in the east to Istanbul in the west. UNESCAP is now preparing to demonstrate the regional connectivity of the Asian Highway Network and the benefits that can be delivered by road transport by organizing an international truck caravan. The caravan will start in Tokyo in March 2008 and will end in Istanbul on the 15th of May 2008 in conjunction with the opening ceremony of the 31st IRU World Congress. Trucks from all UNESCAP member countries from different subregions will be welcome to join the caravan along its itinerary. A parallel leg will drive from Bangkok to merge with the Tokyo-Istanbul leg in Turkey as the common destination point that symbolizes the Asian Highway Network reaching Europe. The Asian Highway Truck Caravan will study existing infrastructure between Tokyo, Bangkok, and Istanbul, collect data about procedures, charges, and waiting times with respect to international road transport of trade goods across Asia. As implementing partner, the International Road Transport Union, IRU, will co-organize the Asian Highway Truck Caravan in cooperation with its national associations and the UNESCAP member countries. You too can be a partner of this historic initiative, which will bring high recognition and rewards to those involved. Most importantly for the caravan's partners, there will be special activities and events en route. The trucks will stop for high-profile national and international ceremonies in each country, which will be covered by major national and international television channels. To reach out to the citizens along the itinerary, the drivers will distribute tokens and relief materials. However, this worthwhile project requires your support. It will depend on financial contributions of the caravan partners. The caravan's partners will be free to organize parallel activities during the journey to further draw the attention of the media, governments, and the public at large to their support for this high-profile, noble cause. It's a common hope that the UNESCAP IRU Asian Highway Truck Caravan will be another historic step towards a developed and integrated Asian road transport market to meet people's needs better on the Millennium Pathway towards 2015. Join us.